From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
A profit of 8% was made when an article was sold for $500. At what price should it be sold to make a profit of 16%? Let's start by looking for what the cost price is. And with that, we can find out other stuff. So let the cost price be X. One thing about percentage is we view the cost price as 100%. So if you want to get a selling price and you made a profit of 10%, the selling price is simply 110% of your cost price. That gives you your selling price. If you made a loss of 5%, the selling price will be 95% of your cost price. So this is how we add and subtract to get selling price, depending on whether you made profit or loss. Now, a profit of 8% was made when an article was sold at $500. From what I explained, for us to get this selling price, it has to be 108% of this cost price. That should give us the selling price since we made profit. So 108% of S gives the selling price $500. So for us to get what S is, 108 over 100 times X equals 500. So this is 1.08X equals 500. So we divide both sides by 1.08, and this gives us $462.96. So these are cost price. Now, from what I have explained, to find the price it should be sold to make a profit of 16%, it is simply 116% of this cost price. If it is to make a loss of 16%, it will be subtract 16 from 100%. It will be 84% of this cost price. That gives us the selling price. So new price is simply 116% of cost price, which is 116 by 100 times 462.96. And this is 1.16 times 462.96. This gives us 537.035, approximately $537.04. So this is the amount it will be sold for you to make a profit of 16%, which is A.